what's going on, guys? We've made it to Kingaroy Speedway. We've got the Modlites out, but the weather's not looking real promising, unfortunately. I don't know if it's me that's got the bad luck or what it is, but yeah, everyone's here. It's pretty wet out there, but what do? You got to be here to see if they'll run it. So we'll I think it's only 2 o'clock or something now, so we've still got a little bit of time to get ready. But car's all ready to go. I'm all ready to go. Yeah, looking forward to it. Big Al's just gone for a bit of a wander at the moment, so we'll catch him a bit later on. But fingers crossed we get this one in so that we can start in the field next weekend at the Queensland Title. So we'll see you soon. guys, so that's us done for the night. We are very disappointed, but it did end up getting rained out. But so I didn't get a lot of footage between the first and the second heat race. But yeah, look, first heat race was a bit of a learning curve. It was quite a greasy track, and found that figuring out how to drive these things is a lot different to an anchor. So the second heat, I think we only moved forward one spot in the first heat, but then I think the second heat we moved forward 3 and yeah, finished third in that race. So yeah, look, yeah, absolutely sensational night. Just a shame that the rain has put a dampener on that. But look, we've made the grid. They've already come around and told us that we're all good. We'll make the show for we'll make the field for next weekend's Queensland title. So yeah, as you know, we really enjoy Gladstone Speedway. So we're looking forward to that. But anyway, we're actually I better take this for a bit of a look around the car because I haven't done much around the car. So they're, I mean, call it like a very much. They're just like a miniature M car, but with a 3-link rear end. So good. Oh, lovely, thank you. Cool. All right, so we'll do a bit bigger. We'll do a bit better video with Bree next weekend when she's back up and running. But yeah, we'll have to. Yeah, for the YouTube channel. You want to be in it? Yeah. These are the characters we're racing against. It's been good. It's been a good night. Anyway, signing off from here. So yeah, wish us luck for next weekend. It should be a good one. Thanks, guys.